my interest is to make car sounds with my mouth. And I don't know my cars, but I do know how to make car sounds. But I don't know the car's name. So if you don't know how to take a Red Bull can and you just flick that little thingy on the Red Bull and you throw it in there and you bend it in the middle and you go like this and boom, you have just blood. And if you wanted to make it you can just clap it like that on the side. So first car, I don't know, but here we go. That's only car 1. Okay, this is car 2. Wacht, sorry, ik made a mistake.